Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mulling spices is probably one of the most crucial elements for creating a truly memorable and delicious mulled wine, transforming a simple red wine into a fragrant and warming winter beverage. Finding the right blend of spices is key to achieving that perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and citrusy notes that define a truly exceptional mulled wine, elevating your holiday gatherings and creating a cozy atmosphere. Number 5. Old Tradition Mulling Spices. It's a fragrant and flavorful blend of cinnamon and spices, perfect for creating a warm and comforting drink this holiday season. Enjoy the lush aromas and delicious flavors that will soothe your senses. Inspired by Glühwein, this unique tea blend is a celebration of Swedish and German traditions. It's the perfect seasonal beverage to share with loved ones. Bring Gemütlichkeit to your home with a steaming mug of spiced wine, tea, or apple cider. It's a delightful way to warm up on a cold winter's day. It's made with purely natural ingredients like cinnamon, cloves, allspice, and orange peel. It's sugar-free, caffeine-free, and naturally vegan, so everyone can enjoy it. Each box contains 24 individually wrapped tea bags, and you can reuse each one 2 to 3 times. Brew a single cup or a whole pitcher to share. Simply add it to your favorite hot beverage, apple cider, wine, or even tea. Create mulled cider, sangria, or a warm, comforting tea in minutes. What we like? It comes in individual tea bags, which are reusable and perfect for making single servings. If you like the convenience of tea bags and want to avoid added sugar, this is the perfect option for you. It's great for those who want to easily control the strength of their mulled wine and enjoy a healthier option. What people say. Delicious and hot apple juice, such a warm and cozy spicy flavor without being too sweet like some mulling spice blends can be. And so convenient in tea bag form. These spice bags are awesome with hot apple cider. They are natural spices, not fake stuff, and they taste amazing. Happy with the quantity in this box. I have been looking all over for prepackaged spices in tea-style bag. I like the ease of use and portability. The satchels are great when you're feeding a crowd, but sometimes you just want one cup. Number 4. Monterey Bay Mulling Spices. Experience the rich history and warmth of our traditional mulling spices. It's a blend of time-honored ingredients, perfect for creating cozy and flavorful drinks. Dating back to ancient Rome, this special blend infuses your beverages with a taste of history. It's a unique and delicious way to enjoy your favorite warm drinks. It contains a delightful mix of dried orange peel, allspice, cloves, and cinnamon. These spices create a wonderfully aromatic and flavorful experience. Use it to add warmth and delicious spice to your mulled wine, apple cider, tea, or even just enjoy its wonderful aroma. It's incredibly versatile. It's also believed to offer immune support. Enjoy the delicious taste and potential health benefits. It's perfect for infusing warm juices, ciders, teas, and wines. Let your creativity flow and discover new ways to enjoy it. This 1-pound bag provides plenty of spice to enjoy throughout the season. Share the warmth and flavor with friends and family. What we like? This one comes in a large, 1-pound bag, offering a great value for the amount of spice you get. If you're looking for a large quantity of mulling spices to use in various recipes and drinks, then this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who love to experiment with different recipes and need a large supply of spices. What people say. When compared to other mulling spices, we have it smelt the best. Excellent flavor. House smells great too. This has orange peel, cinnamon, cloves, and allspice. The pieces are big enough to be scooped off the top, and the bits of orange peel are nice to eat while sipping. Number 3. Meßmer Glühwein Gewürz. Experience the authentic taste of German mulled wine with our convenient spice sachets. It's the easiest way to create a festive and delicious drink, perfect for any occasion. We've updated our recipe and packaging for an even better mulled wine experience. Enjoy the rich, warm flavors of this classic winter beverage. These sachets deliver the authentic taste of traditional German mulled wine. Use them to create a delicious alcoholic or alcohol-free punch. Simply add 3 sachets to a standard bottle of wine, 750 milliliters, and follow the easy instructions. It's that simple. Our unique recipe booklet guides you through the process, offering tips for customization. Create your perfect mulled wine. Keep it in your cupboard and enjoy it anytime. It has a long shelf life, so you'll always be ready for a festive drink. Makes a wonderful gift or a delightful treat for yourself. Enjoy this lactose-free, gluten-free, and vegan beverage. What we like. It includes a recipe booklet to guide you in making authentic German mulled wine. If you are looking for an authentic experience and want to easily control the amount of spice in each batch, this is a great choice. The sachets make it easy to measure out the perfect amount of spices each time. What people say. It is both delicious and aromatic. I not only use it as a drink, but I simmer it on the stove, also crock pot, to enhance the smells at Christmas. This product enhanced the flavor of the mulled wine and was a hit at Christmas Eve party. This made fantastic Glühwein. I added simple syrup, juice of 1 orange, and orange slices. I've made Glühwein before using all the various spices, and this frankly turned out better and is easier and cheaper than buying all the spices. Number 2. Soeos Mulled Wine Spice Kit. This holiday season, experience the rich, warm flavors of our specially blended mulled wine spice kit. It's the perfect way to add a festive touch to your winter gatherings. It combines cinnamon stick, star anise, nutmeg, cloves, rosemary, and bay leaf to create an authentic and delicious mulled beverage. Each spice is carefully selected for its unique flavor profile. Use it to flavor red wine, apple cider, hot buttered rum, teas, and even cranberry juice. The possibilities are endless. Simply heat your chosen beverage in a pot with the spices, then strain for a perfectly spiced drink. It's that simple. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This kit makes a wonderful present, especially when paired with a bottle of wine or some apple cider. It's sure to be a hit. This spice blend is perfect for adding a warm, comforting flavor to your favorite winter beverages. Enjoy the festive aroma and taste throughout the season. What we like. This kit contains 6 premium spices for a complex and flavorful mulled wine. If you appreciate a sophisticated blend and are looking for a unique gift, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who want to impress their guests with a truly special mulled wine experience. What people say. Makes the process much easier. It is a good combination of spices. Quality is great, smells wonderful, potency is strong, taste is good, fresh resealable bag. The smell is awesome, works great with many recipes. Number 1. Spices Village Mulling Spice. It's an expertly crafted blend of cinnamon, allspice, cloves, and nutmeg. This creates a cozy, aromatic experience in your favorite warm beverages. Elevate your mulled wine with this perfectly balanced blend. It brings out bold, aromatic notes for the ultimate holiday beverage. Enhance the rich flavor of your apple cider with this classic spice mix. It adds a warm and fragrant twist to every sip. The resealable bag keeps it fresh until the expiration date. It's kosher, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, and suitable for any diet. Simply add a tablespoon to hot drinks, baking, or even make potpourri. It's perfect for creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. What we like. It comes in a resealable bag to ensure freshness and is certified kosher, gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO. If you are looking for a high-quality, versatile spice blend that caters to various dietary needs, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who prioritize quality ingredients and want a spice blend that can be used in many different ways. What people say. Taste great, easy to use, in wine or cider. Great quality spices. Large amount. Just as expected and smells great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.